So we're here with Nev Powell after Aber's quite incredible 3-2 win at Cardiff Met. Nev, 2-0 down at half-time, 1-3-2 with a 95th minute winner. Not a bad afternoon, really.
It wasn't, Tom. Fantastic for the fans and everyone connected with the club really to win it in the 95th minute, but it was fully deserved. We went in half-time 2-0 down, and I said to the players it was never 2-0. We played okay, we played quite well, and we just changed the shape. And as you say, we needed to get another forward on the pitch, and we'd done that with Aberystwyth Town, and we brought Alan on at the back, and them two combined probably won us a game with Alan at the back, and Asher scored the winner. But that doesn't take anything away from the rest of the players' performance. From 1 to 11, and even the two that come off half time, Jeff and Lee. There's a good team spirit in there, and they're good lads, and we do things for reasons, and it's worked today. We just matched them up second half, and after 10 minutes of the second half, I said if we can get a goal here, we'll go on and win this, and so it proved. We played some good stuff, and it was great to win it that way.
Yeah, and I suppose we sort of came good, didn't we? Maybe played better in the second half than in the first half.
Well,
would you agree with that?
We were against a tough breeze, and there was a bad sun as well, so it's difficult to defend, and funny enough, second half the wind dropped and the sun went, so it levelled it up. But we got two up top, and we got balls in area where we thought we could hurt them, and so it proved. We played some good stuff, and we won a lot of battles out there today. And when you do that, when you got the lads, like Declan Walker and Ashley Mann in your team, you got a chance of scoring goals, and made up for Ash. He's been struggling with a bit of a knee injury, and he was a bit down after he missed a couple against Carnarvon when he was clean through, and for him to fall and put that away, and it's a massive 3 points for us, Tom, today. As you said, we just said the importance of it, and the lads are playing with a lot of confidence, and it's a confidence game. There's not many teams that go 4 wins on the bounce in this league, and we've managed to do that with wins against TNS and Cardiff Met. So all credit to the players. You get a bit of a run going, and as you say, who knows where it can take you. That's 23 points now, and as you say, if we can get to that magical 30, it'll be like Aberystwyth winning the league.
Yeah, and it was great to see at the end the celebrations, wasn't it? You often see footballers clapping the fans, but to come over and actually high-five the supporters and dancing together, you don't see that very often, do you?
It means that much to them. They're experienced players. I had a Bangor, didn't I, for 10 years, where the fans meant everything to the club, and it meant everything to the players, and it's very similar here, and that's why I'm here, and that's why a lot of the players are here, and hopefully we can bring the club a bit of success, because they've got great fans, they've got great people running the club, and it's a tough challenge, with what's in the league at the present time. But the lads are up for it, and who knows, we'll just keep working hard. And as you say, it's another tough game against Bala next Saturday now.
Great. And final question: are the boys still dancing in the dressing room?
Yeah, there's a few dancers in there, isn't there? They're good lads, and they enjoy their wins. You know what I mean? It's they win together, they lose together, and as you say, Declan Walker's got them all going in there.
Thanks, Nev. Brilliant afternoon. Fantastic. Congratulations.
Amazing.